What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Now, getting ready for the Big Banger Box 3-year anniversary break tonight. We're live right now for teams. Good luck. 6 high-end hits in this Banger Box, so bottom line, 6 teams are going to hit. The rest won't, so good luck hitting. I appreciate you filling it up. It's a big risk, big reward kind of break for sure. Anaheim to Winnipeg, Clay, spot 1, and spot 30. Everybody in between. We'll start with the teams. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. 8:43, 8:43, last and final. I hear interception. 4th and final. Come on. 4th and final timestamp on the teams. 8:43, 8:43. Carolina to San Jose. And Buffalo to Chicago. There's your teams. Let's match up the names. 8:43. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. Third timestamp. 8:44. 8:44. Last and final. 4th and final timestamp, 8:44, 8:44. Michael to Orv. And Andrew to Jay. All right, guys, there's your teams. We're going to post them in the comments, and we will see you in about just over an hour.